ಸಂಸಾರದಾವ ನಲಲಿತಲೋಕ ತ್ರಣಯ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಘನಘನತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯಾಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಕೀರ್ತನೃತ್ಯ ಗೀತಾ ವಾದಿತ್ರಮಾರ್ಜಾನ್ ಮನಸೋ ರಸೇನ ರೋಮಾಂಚಕಾಂಪಾಶ್ರುತರಂಗಭಾಜಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಗ್ರಹಾರಾಂ ಧನನಿತ್ಯನಾನಾಂ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ತನ್ಮಂದಿರಮಾರ್ಚನಾದಂ ಯುಕ್ತಸ್ಯ ಭಕ್ತಾಂಶ್ಚ ನಿಯುಂಜತೋಪಿ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ ಚತುರ್ವೇದಾ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಭಗವತ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದೋ ಸ್ವಾತನ್ನ ತೃಪ್ತಂ ಹರಿಭಕ್ತ್ಯ ಸಂಗಂ ಕೃತ್ವೈವ ತೃಪ್ತಿಂ ಭಜ ತತ್ಸದೈವಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ ಶ್ರೀರಾಧಿಕಾ ಮಾಧವಯೋರಪಾಯೋ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯಲೀಲಾ ಗುಣರೂಪನಾಮ್ನಂ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಣಾಸ್ವಾದನಲೋಲುಪಸ್ಯಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಣಾಸ್ವಾದನಲೋಲುಪಸ್ಯಂ. You know, when the soul doesn't want to budge a bit from the mercy of Sri Nityananda Ram, the Guru Vani, Sri Sri Radha and Krishna, given by Sri Nityananda Ram, when the soul doesn't want to go, doesn't want to budge from there, what happens? Nityananda Ram takes us to Gaurachandra, who gives love of Godhead. The heart is gradually filling with the love for Bhagavan. So, when the jiva does not want to budge a bit from the lotus feet of Guru Nityananda Ram, to that degree the heart is being filled with love of Godhead. Love of Godhead. In this way, every moment, pratikshana, asvadana of Bhagavan. Then what happens? When there is no shelter of Nityananda Ram, no shelter of Guru Vani, and the Nama given by Guru, when there is no shelter of that, then this world is Dukkhalayam. Dukkhalayam. If we are finding misery, it is only because of this. When we are not in the shelter of the Bhagavan given, Guru given, the Nama, the Vani, the instruction. But once, the moment we are Drudha Chitta Bhaktir, Drudha Bhakti Yoga, when we choose, no, I want to be here, I don't want to budge a bit from here, then to that degree, Nita is handing over you to Gauranga Mahaprabhu, who is filling the heart with love for Krishna. Then what happens when the heart is filled like that? Is there any more Dukkhalayam? No. Vishwam Purna Sukhayate. Everything appears Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Everywhere, everything is now Krishna Sambandha. Preeti Sambandha. Before that was all Dukkha Sambandha. Everything was misery giving. But now Preeti Sambandha, Krishna Sambandha. Because the heart is filled with love for Krishna. This is what happens when we don't want to budge a bit from Nitai. He gives us Gaura, who fills our heart with love for Krishna and love for Krishnas. Everything is Krishna, 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 Krishna. Anyway, He is the only Priti Vastu. Everything is from Him. Everything is His. So in this way, the heart is filled with love for Krishna, and one will be in Vishwam Purna Sukhayate. Then every moment is Pratiki, Kshana, Asvadana of Nama, Rupa, Guna. Nikunjayo no Ratikeli Sitai Yayali Bir Yukti Rapekshaniyam Tatrati Dachya Tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Sakshatharitvenam Samasta Shastre Yuktastada Bhavyatena Sadbhi Kintu Prabhuyam Priyaiva Tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Yasya Prasado Bhagavat Prasada Yasya Prasado Nagati Kutopi Dhyayam Tuvam Tasya Yasya Trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. This is really the key. Bhagavat Prasada comes as Prasada of Shri Guru Nityanandaram. Sunshine can't move from here. The sun will shine here. Radha Krishna will give darshan here, and the heart will be filled with love for Krishna here. Then why would I move from here? What in the world do I want to move away from here? What in the world will rescue me from anything at all if I move from here? Drida Bhakti Yogaya. That is Atma Krandana. That's when the heart is gradually filled. Krishna, Prema, Preeti for Krishna. That's why there's only one thing to do, only one occupation for the jiva. Just stay in the world of Guru and Gauranga. Just stay there. There is no other world anyway. Anything other than that is illusory anyway. Just stay. Everything happens here. Everything manifests here. Shri Guru is an auspicious cloud giving us Shri Radha and Krishna. Nitai gives us Radha and Krishna. And Shri Guru is worshipping, offering loving service to Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. And he is relishing Nama Rupa Guna Leela of Shri Radhika Madhava every moment. That is the only occupation, nothing else. And his Radhika Priyasaki came as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. And the mercy of Bhagavan comes through his Sandhini Shakti, Shri Guru. Shri Guru Pyo Namah.